Hello everyone, this is Kian Mahroumi and I am an undergraduate mechanical engineering student here at UTA. Now I started working at UTARI in February 2020 and by now it makes it about 3 years. And in the past 3 years I've gained numerous valuable experiences here that I'd like to share with you today. Initially I was actually taking statics with Dr. Rehan and he mentioned about a job opportunity here and I approached him. And the rest is history. We spoke about composites and shared a little bit of our common passion for this. And I started working here almost immediately. Unfortunately, COVID hit. So I started just doing research from home, learning a little bit more on my own and couldn't actually enjoy the facility we have here. And eventually things lightened up and I was tasked first with building a weltless cart for our walk-in oven here. And that was my first passion project where I got to use actual CAD modeling and things I learned at school as an engineer and actually put it to good use, and that gave me a good vision of how design can be different from real life and manufacturing. From then we moved on to learning composites manufacturing, getting hands-on experience with layup sequences, different materials, things like that. And that also further ignited my passion for composites and material science as a whole, which eventually led up to me actually choosing this as a career path, as an academic path also. I was motivated to go get my minor in material science and I also took a Introduction to Composites course here, which further added to my knowledge, and I got to apply it here and understand more why we do certain layup sequences, why we use certain materials, thicknesses, things like that, and how the mechanical loading on these materials work. I also did a little bit of electrospinning, working with different types of polymers. On top of that, I started working on a new project here, which was curved composites. Almost everything we did here before that was flat panels, and we wanted to see how we can manufacture these, what are the effects of them, what's the actual curing sequence of these things would be like. And this project took form in a skateboard. We decided that that would be a cool organic shape that we could work with, and I started iterating different designs, different sequences, and different manufacturing methods, from wet layups all the way up to curing an actual sample off of our initial mold that we made here. In the last 3 years, composites really changed my life for the better. It actually gave my life a pretty good path into something I'm passionate about that I got to double down on, and I'm happy to say that I'm going to be pursuing a career very soon as a material process engineer at a composites manufacturing company. I would like to thank my supervisors, Dr. Rehan and Dr. Radlamudi, also all of my mentors, all of the PhD students here who helped me. On top of that, I would like to thank all the UTARI staff, everybody that helped me throughout my journey in UTARI. Also, especially the operating staff, which dealt with all of our manufacturing needs and all of our busy work here. It has been a wonderful 3 years. Thank you very much.